Cursor versus Windsurf versus Cline. Which one is the best? Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you the difference between Cursor, Windsurf, and Cline. Alright, so let's begin. First, let's talk about Cursor. Cursor is an AI powered code editor that provides smart code suggestions, explanations, and debugging help within the editor. It has a clean interface and supports collaborative coding. The pros are its deep AI integration, helpful suggestions, and smooth workflow. The cons are it needs Internet 4.0 features, some advanced options require payment, and plugin availability is still growing. Next, let's talk about Windsurf. Windsurf is also an AI-driven coding tool focused on team collaboration and code reviews. It offers real-time code suggestions, automatic documentation, and project dashboards. The pros are strong teamwork features, clean code assistance, and project management tools. The cons are it can be overwhelming for solo developers, and sometimes the AI suggestions may not match all coding styles. Finally, let's talk about Cline. Cline is a lightweight coding assistant with a minimalistic design. It is fast, simple, and good for quick prototyping. The pros are its speed, simplicity, and multi-language support. The cons are fewer AI features than Cursor and fewer collaboration tools than Windsurf, so it may feel basic for some users. So that's basically how you can compare Cursor, Windsurf, and Cline to find which one is the best for you. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.